It's been a few days after I traveled to Loggerhead, and they had this huge skeleton that I saw on Chased by Dinosaurs. And now, starting tonight, we're going to draw that exact turtle that we saw in that museum. The name of it we're drawing is known as Archelon. They've been around since the Late Cretaceous, and basically, it's been known to be one of my recent favorites ever since I saw it. Let's see.
Oh, that's a dinosaur in the back now, scraping to get into the building. No. How come you're going to do a meet and greet in Florida?
Alright, I found it again. Codenamed Giant Among Turtles. First found in North America.
Do you always cook in that pot, Mom?
No.
Because that pot's more for boiling lobsters. You need a regular pot? You need a regular big pot? You need a regular big pot? A regular pot?
I have two other big pots. I bought this, I think, 1 year for brisket. How old this pot is?
Well, it's not really for cooking, it's for boiling. That's an indoor-outdoor pot. That's kind of quintessential.
I think vinegar is what takes off.
Baking soda soaked.
Huh?
Vinegar takes off rust. Baking soda softens, grease, and burns.
So yeah. I put it on the oven, right?
Nope, just let it soak. Let it soak, let it soak.
That's what I use vinegar.
Drawing it from another angle.
Vinegar is for water minerals, like you soak a shower head in vinegar, anything that's rusted on something.
And done.
From water.
There he is.
What
This goes
removes
out to everyone who works at the Loggerhead Aquarium.